Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Very unique weather day and a very changeable one as well. First, a look at the high temperatures just a few hours ago with readings topping out in the lower 80s. A look at Westerly at 86 degrees this afternoon, 82 in Providence. Now, we're taping this as of 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're noting the cold front now is coming through. The temperatures are starting to drop, and we're starting to see some scattered showers and even a few heavier downpours. Take a look at the Doppler radar, and you can see in the northern part of the state some blips of orange and red indicating some gusty downpours. Most areas at this hour at 4 o'clock are dry, but we do expect showers to be coming through as this activity is essentially moving from north to south, and over the next several hours we'll see a noticeable drop in the temperature as well. Here's a different perspective with the satellite photo. The clouds are taking over as the cold front approaches. Here's the wider view, and it's this boundary right in here. You can take a look at it, and now on one side, this front is separating essentially two seasons. Now on the north side of the front, the winds are now turning north-northeast, and on the south side of the front we're getting more of a southwest wind, and where those two air masses converge or kind of bump into each other, that's where we're getting some of the scattered showers and even some rumbles of thunder. So bottom line, the cooler air is going to take over. Here's the wider perspective, and when you overlay the current temperatures as the 4 o'clock hour, and this is a pretty impressive gradient. As you can see, Cincinnati's 95 while Detroit is 62, Philly's at 93 while Albany is at 59 degrees. So you see that sharp contrast between chilly and hot, and that cooler air to our north will be arriving this evening, overnight, and really extending through all of Thursday and into Friday. Let's walk you through the forecast hour by hour. And I would say now through 7 o'clock in the evening, I would keep the umbrella on standby, though the trend will be for any steadier rain showers by 7 o'clock to be pushing offshore. I think we'll be left with occasional sprinkles the rest of the night. Here we are Thursday morning at 7 a.m. Cloudy, cool, raw. Temperature starting off only in the upper 40s. Northeast breeze will make it feel cooler. I think the game plan is that during the day on Thursday, I don't see much in the way of heavy rain or puddles and downpours, but it's going to be more of sprinkles rather than steady rain. But it's kind of a cool, raw day nonetheless. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Highs only upper 50s to lower 60s, so in some cases we're 20 degrees cooler on Thursday. As we get deeper towards the evening, we'll start to see more in the way of sprinkles, and then later Thursday night, better chances of a more generous area of rain. Notice you start to see more green on the map by Thursday night. I do expect rain later Thursday night and then ending early on Friday. So for this evening, scattered showers up until about 7 o'clock. Thereafter, kind of damp with some sprinkles, temperatures falling through the upper 50s. I don't see much in the way of steady or heavy rain for Thursday morning, but wouldn't rule out some sprinkles. Gray skies, much cooler. Struggling to hit 60 degrees on Thursday afternoon. And again, a heavy precipitation not expected other than just some nuisance sprinkles. But again, once we get towards sunset and Thursday night, the chances for at least some steadier rain will start to increase, and that damp weather will spill over into daybreak Friday morning and then drying out Friday afternoon. Nothing's really changed for the weekend. It looks dry both Saturday and Sunday, but cool, especially on Saturday. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Again, in the next couple of hours, next 2 to 3 hours, some scattered showers and some isolated downpours coming through. A noticeable drop in the temperature and chilly gray weather anticipated for Thursday. That's the latest now. Thanks for checking in and logging in. We'll talk to you soon.